It's a new day. It is race day. We got Klaus working pretty good, all the problems fixed on him, and he's running pretty well. So we're gonna make some hits today. We got Shane here, official pit crew. He's gonna help me dial in the suspension. We're gonna get some runs in. But other than that, everything's fixed and he should be running pretty well today. Got the laptop, gonna get some data logs, get everything going, and just go from there. So I'm gonna set up the GoPros and get in staging lanes.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So we're back from the track. You saw that didn't go well again. Klaus is still pushing coolant somewhere. I don't know what's going on. It really sucks. Kind of beat up about it and distraught, but whatever. We're gonna keep figuring it out and get it done. Sorry about the short video and not much content, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on a bunch of tests, and that will be for the next video, and I will see you guys then.